I'll tell you one line जो मैंने again I heard Barack Obama said, उसने अपनी बुक में फर्स्ट लाइन लिखी है.
हाँ.
Every ambitious man, and he said it, every ambitious man.
ओ भाई अब तुम यार गलती हो गई.
हाँ सुन लो. Every ambitious man has some trauma with his father. Either looks down on his father or looks up for his father, and that's how he's ambitious.
You're right.
And Barack Obama says, in my case, it's both.
I guess. Shit. I don't know my case.
Yeah,
I mean, I know, I think, but है बहुत है. Yeah.
You feel so?
Yeah. I mean, after my mom passed, so it has also become like I don't know. तो वो कभी-कभी समझ में नहीं आता है. How do I have to find ways to deal with it.
Yeah.
तो
you have a good relationship with your father?
Decent.
Since kid, you always had good or?
No, very bad. मतलब हम लोग रहे ही नहीं साथ में ना. So and my parents were separated. I think class 12th में था मैं.
Okay.
तो उसके बाद से तो it was always it's always been one system. तो मैं हमेशा सूटकेस में रहा हूँ. So I was very close to her because mom wasn't doing well for a long time for other reasons. तो एक वो होता था कि यार ये I have to fill this void. Dad का था कि ठीक है, at least he's working, he's got his own thing, he'll take care of himself. But yeah, तो young age से काफ़ी एक वो हो गया था. काफ़ी resentments थे, which are I suppose natural.
And the resentment was because वो आपको ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं देते थे, ज़्यादा आपके आसपास नहीं रहते थे, कि कभी उन्होंने कम्युनिकेट नहीं किया कि what's his side of story, या maybe you knew the story and then you decided not to choose.
बड़े होते हुए बहुत directions जो मुझे मिल सकते थे वो नहीं मिले. So and I used to hold people. Yeah, I don't want to now. I think nobody has malice ना. मतलब वो कहीं ना कहीं बंदा रगड़ ही रहा है, कुछ कर रहा है. He's trying to provide and do his or her best. So I've stopped.
What point, ऐसा कब point आता है? क्योंकि so many people I met, I've met in my life, including my friends, to my idols, high achievers, ambitious people, सबका ना किसी फैमिली मेम्बर के साथ कुछ ग्रज होता है. So at what point do you realize कि ये ग्रज छोड़ दो, या क्या रियलाइजेशन होती है लाइफ में जहाँ you leave it?
आप नहीं कर पाते हो. I don't know, some part of it, वहीं तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आता है. सारी कहानियाँ वहीं से चल रही हैं. मतलब सारे स्क्रीन प्लेस की जरूरत वही है ना.
हाँ.
कहीं ना कहीं somebody is affected. I don't know. I don't know. I can say I've let go of a lot of things. Has my body let go? I don't know. कितने लोग नहीं समझ पाते हैं. They don't know how to process it. We are not told how to process things. एक थेरेपिस्ट आ जाता है, या कोई किसी से आप बात कर लेते हो, या तो दवा लिख देंगे, या आपसे 2 घंटे बात करेंगे, उसका पैसा भी जाएगा और आप कंफ्यूज जाओगे, या पता नहीं. I don't know. सबकी फिंगरप्रिंटिंग अलग होती है. तो it's like you need you to fix you, but you are not fixed enough to fix you. So it is a oxy. मतलब आप उसी में लूप में चल रहे हो. So then that's why I suppose that's why there is nature. That's why there is जो कुदरती चीज़ें आपको दी गई हैं हम लोग को, कि आप उन पे अगर एक कंट्रोल, आपका इख्तियार हो उस पे, then you can maybe manage. That's why they say ना, healing के लिए लोग पर्वत पे चढ़ गए, या गुफा में घुस गए, या कहीं फार्म पे चले गए.
There's one quote I read कि you are your best mentor, never give up on that right that you have on yourself.
That's such a nice thing.
अगर ऐसे और भी बहुत insightful शॉर्ट्स और क्लिप्स देखनी है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो.